Yes, children. Welcome to your revision test and the revision exercises which we are doing for this week. The topic for this session is determinants. Okay. So let's have a quick look at all the rules which we discussed in our previous lectures. Fine. So here on the board are a few statements. I have dashed 1 rupee coin. A or an? The correct answer is A. I have a 1 rupee coin. If you remember, while doing the rules, it was told to you if the sound of a word, although beginning with vowel, but the pronunciation begins with a consonant. So O-N-E is one, V. So A would be coming. Next statement. I met dash Englishman. An Englishman. But he couldn't speak dash English. So your no article would be coming. So you'll put a cross because in front of languages, no article comes. Neither a, an, or the, nothing at all. So, but when it is for a man, Englishman, I met an American. I met a Frenchman, but he couldn't speak French. So second time when we are talking about the language, no article would come. The next, third one, dash side of the square measures 4 centimeter. Each or every? Correct answer, each. We are talking about each, her, ek, out of those 4. Okay, individual thing. Dash Indian should stand while national anthem is being sung. So it's a very generalized thought. So when we are generalizing and talking about the whole group, then we use every. So somewhat these exercises we are going to do in our exercises. I'm going to share the screen with you. You keep doing along with me. Okay, here are some of the fill up the blanks. Do it yourself. Dash books are missing from the library. Keep doing them fast in your rough copy, children. She has not solved dash sums. Options are given. This book is mine, but dash is yours. Dash boys have done their work. He did not make dash progress. He has forgotten dash of the details. The district magistrate visited dash flood affected area. Dash villa is this. He is the dash boy who has joined this gym. I met her dash week. So these were some of the statements which included all the determiners which we did. If you remember, there were few parts of the determiners, the subparts of the determiners. So this includes, but now we shall also do them individually. Okay, check out all the answers. First, some. Second, many. That, these, much, some, every, whose, first, this. Okay. Now see here in the 4th statement or the 10th statement, it could be these or those, it could be this or that as the correct answer. I met her that week. I met her last week. But when it is not given in the option, obviously you wouldn't write it. Because be it modals, be it determiners, there may be more than one answers for a particular blank. But when it comes to your choosing the correct option, you have to choose the most appropriate one. This you need to remember. Okay. Now a few more. As determiners is a vast topic, so we shall be doing just determiners right now. Do these statements. I would like to ask dash questions. Options there for you. I didn't find dash there. Very dash politicians are really honest. Only dash politicians are really honest. What would be the difference in sentence number 3 and 4? Fifth, dash agreed to come with me. She doesn't have dash friends. I had dash to help me. There are dash birds on the tree. Does dash know the answer? I would like to find dash books on Western philosophy. I don't have dash money. Does dash know where she lives? I hope you did all 12 of them. Okay, now let's switch over to the answers. I would like to ask a few questions. I didn't find anyone there. Very few politicians are really honest, means rarely any. Rarely any. Only a few politicians are really honest, means at least some. Okay? Someone agreed to come with me. She doesn't have many friends. I had no one to help me. There are some birds on the tree. Does anyone know the answer? I would like to find some books on Western philosophy. I don't have much money. Does anybody know where she lives? Okay? Now, next exercise. Now, these are the statements wherein just a, an, or the to be fulfilled. I'm sorry, filled. A, an, or the to be filled. I'm giving you time. Do it yourself. Dash auditorium has been built in our school. Honesty is dash best policy. Just quickly write the answers. The Ganges is dash holy river. Hari is dash honorable man. I saw dash one-eyed sailor. Just as we did, no? That's first one. 1 rupee coin, somewhat like that. One-eyed sailor. Dash sun is bigger than dash earth. Dash umbrella is dash useful thing. This is dash first time I have visited dash big city. This car can be driven dash speed of 180 kilometers. dash R. Mount Everest is dash highest peak in dash Himalayas. Do it. Himalayas. For the peaks, the is used. But when it comes to ranges, then no article shall be used. Okay, check out the answers. And the third statement, fourth and fifth, sixth, the sixth one had 2 blanks in it. Seventh one again 2 blanks. An umbrella is a useful thing. A useful. Okay. So same way, unique, university, European. All these words have a in front of them. Eighth sentence, the, ninth one, the, and 10th one, the twice. Okay. So we did for the articles. Now we are doing an exercise on demonstrative plus possessive determiners, both together. He is a good boy. Dash father is a doctor. Either demonstratives or possessives. Aditi wants to lend me her dash car. All dash mangoes are rotten. See, in the exam, you would be getting such statements with the options provided. 3 to 4 options. Okay. All dash mangoes are rotten. The child has broken dash toy. Would you like to have dash book or dash one? Would you like to have dash book or dash one? Are there any girls in dash class? What was dash noise? The gardener waters dash plants every day. Dash boys will soon join us. Who is dash fellow? Some of the blanks may have more than one answer. That is why I say you would be given options. Right now it is just that we were discussing either demonstratives or possessives. Check your answers. He is a good boy. His father is a doctor. Aditi wants me to lend her my car. All these mangoes are rotten. Okay. The child has broken his toy. Would you like to have this book or that one? Are there any girls in your class? What was that noise? The gardener waters these plants every day. Ninth one, those boys will soon join us. It could also be these. That's why I say options would be there. Who is dash fellow? It could also be this or that. Okay. Next, numerals. Numerals means one, two, some, any, little, few, all, both, much, many, several, etc. How dash money do you want? Have you read dash stories? Remove this question mark from here. Have you dash read stories? Keep doing it. I have read dash short stories in Hindi, but only dash in English. I read the letter again and noticed that there were dash mistakes in it. How dash milk do you take every day? There are dash countries in the world where population is not growing fast. Would you lend me your watch for dash days? Do you have dash complaint against the clerk? Next, there are dash eggs in the basket, but there isn't dash butter. Dash care could have prevented the accident. Dash of the boys has broken this window pane. The word is has over here. So accordingly choose. I've already spent the dash rupees you gave me. Dash the husband and the wife are members of this club. Dash the customers insisted that the shopkeeper must provide them full measure. Okay? In case you've missed any, do it quickly. Okay? Now, no, 15th statement also, then you have a look at the answer. The story was published in dash the local newspapers. Okay, now check out your answers. First one is much. Second, many and some. Anything may be there. Third one, many, a lot of. And for the second blank, few or some. Both are appropriate. Fourth statement, many. Fifth, much. Sixth, a few. Seventh, some, a few. Sorry, not a and few separately, a few. Either some or a few. Any one of the two. Eighth statement, any. Ninth one has two blanks in it, some and any. Okay, if you remember the ninth statement, it was this, no? There are some eggs in the basket, but there isn't. So when the sentence turns negative, any comes, isn't any butter. Okay. 10th, a little. 11th, one. 12th, few. 13th, both. 14th, all. 15th, all. Okay? Now these were all the exercises which we did and covered for our determiners. Rest, other than these, what we did, the practice exercises and the revision exercises we did, you all are expected to do many on your own. Practice will make you perfect. Perfection will score you good marks. Okay? Best of luck for your exams. In case of any doubt, you can always ask your teachers. Saturday, you would be having a doubt class. You are welcome to ask all your doubts. Doubt sessions also are being conducted for you. You can contact your teachers for your doubts. Okay? Good luck for your exams. Farewell.